We just scaled a store from 200 euros to 1200 euros daily ad spend with a good ROAS in less than a week. My name is Roderick, Growth and Development Manager at Adon Technologies, and welcome to this video. It is very important that before you scale towards a higher spend, you have a target ROAS as bidding strategy. Otherwise you will have heavy fluctuations. In order to set this accurate, you need to have a good amount of conversion data. When I place a target ROAS, I aim for 50 plus conversions in the last 7 days. As you can see, before we scaled on the 3rd of May, we achieved 80 plus conversions in the last 7 days, with a good ROAS. Now the trick is to set your target ROAS not too high, otherwise you can limit yourself when scaling. Always place it below your actual ROAS when you want to scale. After the 3rd of May, when we had our target ROAS in place, we started to scale. In order to do this as quick as possible, it is important to analyze well how the campaign adapts to the increases in the budget. If you do it right, you can scale in a week to 1k plus days with a good ROAS. When you scale, make sure you have the data, a strong foundation, and analyze the behavior of your campaign.
Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.